In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add recipes in a template to a collection. With That Clean Life, you never have to start from scratch. We offer over 100 templates that cover a wide variety of diet types to jumpstart your client experience. Each template comes with a meal plan, grocery list, recipes, a prep guide, and evidence. You can also turn any template into a recipe collection. Start by finding the template you need. Use the filters available to find meal plans that fit your desired tags. Once you find a template, select the title to open it. To add all of the recipes from a template to a collection, select the icon with the 3 dots and select Add to Collection. Select Recipes, and then choose the collection you'd like to add the recipes to. If you haven't yet created a collection, select Create Collection, name your collection, and then select Add. If you'd like to add just a smaller selection of recipes from a template to your collection, click the icon with the 3 dots next to the recipe you'd like to add. Select the collection you'd like to add it to, and then select Add. Repeat this process for each recipe you'd like to add. And that's how easy it is to add recipes from a template to a collection.